Hello crafty friends, it's Leigh here. Thanks for joining me again. I made this from one piece of rectangular paper. I've got 1, 2, 3 pockets depending on the way you glue it down. If you just glued it that way, then you have another pocket behind it, or you could go this way. No cutting, bit of glue, bone folder and a rectangular piece of paper, and you can make this. You can put a notch in here if you want to. Okay, so as I said, it's just one piece of rectangular paper. As long as it's a rectangle, this will work. So just need to fold it in half. And I glued it together so it was one piece. I then took one corner and folded it up like so. And now I've got that. And then this bit on the back I folded back over. So then we've got that, which we fold back over again. And I did tell a lie, you do need a pair of scissors because you're always going to have a little pointy bit sticking over the edge here. And you can just chop that off so you can see how it quite easily it comes together. So it's just a matter of gluing along the bottom and down this part here to make your pockets. You could sew around the edges of it if you wanted to. Okay, so here's another piece of tea-dyed paper. It's an A4 sheet. So I would stick them together. Then I would bring that up here. And then fold this back. Make sure it's nice and lined up. And then fold this one back and snip off that edge. Or you could glue it around. So I'm going to snip that little corner off. And I want to do a little bit of stamping on there. So I'm going to stamp with this text here. I've got walnut stain, so I just want to get some of that all over it. I'm going to ink around the edge of it. I'll be gluing down across the bottom here and down here and across the bottom there. So that's the structure made. Now I've got some things that I would like to decorate my little folder with, and where is my sheet? So this is something that I'm going to let everybody have for free. So in my description box there's a link to this printable. So it's got birds, a couple of animals, and just a few things to cut out and use. On the file that you download, I have actually added in a squirrel to the page as well. I suggest that you print on your best setting that your printer has, so your colours are nice, and also that you use a slightly better quality of paper than just your, like 80 GSM copy paper is quite porous. If you use a paper that's slightly smoother, you'll get a better print. So I hope you enjoy that free file. Something I also think you should do, which is what I did, is to cut a little white edge around each of the images. These are watercolor images, so there is in a lot of them a very indistinct line around the edge of them. So it's easier to just leave some of the white paper, bit of white paper showing, and to ink it. So I'm just decorating this little folder here, and then I make another one, and I actually use my brand new Tim Holtz tiny attacher to staple my little birds on. The look of those little staples, I think they're the cutest things, so I had fun with that. I'll most likely be using my images myself during Ephemera, and I look forward to seeing how you use them. So if you do use them, just let me know. So I want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope you can have a go at making one of these quick folders, pockets, and that you enjoy the free images.